Hello guys, now we will see the different patterns in regular expression. So in this table, the first column shows that different pattern and the meaning of those patterns. So first one is slash d. D is in lowercase. That means this particular code will match a single digit. And if you put a capital D, then it matches all other things except a single digit. And when it is slash w, it matches a single alphanumeric character, and if it is capital W, it matches a single character which is not alphanumeric. And similarly, slash small s will match a single space character, and slash capital S will match a single character which is not a space. So now we will see this with example. So the first one is I will use the pattern as slash d slash d. So there are two slash d's. That means this particular pattern matches two digits which are placed in sequential order. So when I run this code, you can see that the output contains two digits. Similarly, if you put a w here, so it will match two alphanumeric digits. So the first question is we must match the string 4 in the input. So first let me copy the input and place it in the input A. And since we have to match the character 4, the pattern will be 4. So when you run, you can find all the 4s present in the input string. And the second one is we have to match the string AB, and the input is given here. So to match the character AB, the pattern will be A followed by B, and when you run, the regular expression parses the input string to match all the possible occurrence of AB, and it will be stored in C. Now the third question is we must find the strings which starts with A and followed by two B's and followed by C. So that means first character should be A, followed by that two occurrence of B should be there, and at last a C occurrence should be present. So the pattern will be A, two B's and C. So the next question is we must match all the strings of length 2 which starts with A. So that means first character should be A followed by any character. So for that I will put slash W. So A will match A exactly, and slash W will match any alphanumeric character. So when you run it, you can see that there are some possible occurrence starting with A and followed by any alphanumeric character. Now the next question is we must match all the strings of length 3 which end with D. That means our pattern will be last digit should be D, and before that two characters can be present and there is no restriction for that. So there will be two slash W's. When you run, you can get the required answer. So according to the question, it must start with H and end with O, and the maximum length should be 3. So starting character is H and ending is O. So since the length is 3, the second character there is no restriction. So for that slash W will match any other character. And the next question is, we must match all the strings of length 3 that has 8 in second position. So since the input contain digit, first slash d will match any digit and the second position should be 8 followed by any followed by slash d, that means it will match any other digit. So now the question is, we must match the strings of length 5 which has 4 in second position and 8 in fourth position. So the pattern is, so 4 should be at second position and 8 should be at fourth position. So there is no restriction for first place. So slash d will match any character at the first place and second digit should be 4. Third digit there is no restriction and fourth digit should be 8 followed by the last digit slash d. So the next question is, we must find all the strings of length 4 which starts with a digit and ends with a digit. This is the input string and total length is 4. That means first character should be a digit and the last character should be a digit, and in between there can be a non-digit, that is slash d and slash d. So the next question is, match all the string of length 3 that has a digit followed by a space followed by a non-alphanumeric character. The first character should be a digit followed by a space and followed by a non-alphanumeric character. So slash capital W will match a non-alphanumeric character. So when you run, you can get the required pattern. The next question is, we must match all the strings of length 4 that does not have any single digit. So in that case, the pattern will be capital D 4 times. That means capital D will match any single character that is a non-digit, and when you run, you can see that in the answer there is no digits present.